Hi guys. Alright, so it is Thursday, the day before I'm about to go and celebrate my birthday for the weekend, and I need to do my hair. Okay, I need to do my hair. I decided to do some passion twist again. And you want to know something ironic and funny? I think this is the same t-shirt I had on the last time I did this video. I'm gonna link it below. The first video I ever did doing like any type of protective style, anything, my passion twist were bomb. So I decided to do them again. I got some longer hair, okay? This is my hair. I got it off of Amazon. It is by Toyotress. I think that's how you say their name. I got the 24 inch this time. Last time I had 22 inches. This one is 24 inches. And I got the T1B/27. It comes in this big package like this. It comes with 7 packs in one. So I like that they sell it together. And then they come individually wrapped. As you can see, it's a nice little ombre. It goes from like black to blonde. Well, actually, it goes from 1B to like a 27. I went ahead and took the hair out, and this is how it looks. Like this. So y'all, it's kind of long. It's so long. Look, friend. Look, friend. I'm excited. So what I've done with my hair so far, I've already washed it and conditioned it. I have some leave-in in it, and I just went ahead and put these plaits in. And that's all we've done. And I went to sleep because I wanted to kind of air dry. I don't think I want to use any heat. I don't want to blow it out because I kind of want some of the texture to still be there so that it grabs on. You know what I'm saying? I tried to do some on my mom the other day and I blew out her hair, but her hair was just, it was too straight. And then it wasn't really curling with the hair. So I was like, yeah, I don't think I was supposed to do that. We got to start from the back. So I'm going to take these two out and part it off and clip it up. And we're going to get started. Okay, y'all. So I've done the back. And I put it in a ponytail because I needed it out of my way. I'm actually gonna put it in a bun. But I'm about to show you guys in the front how I am doing them. I didn't want to show y'all the back because I mean you can't really see. You can't see, and plus I don't do this all the time, so I needed to practice. And I let my mama help me in the back a little bit. Just because, y'all, I had a lot going on today. This is my birthday week, and it's just a lot going on getting ready for the party. Okay, now y'all can really see me. Okay, so I am actually using the TGIN Buttercream Daily Moisturizer to moisturize my hair. Just to put something on it because I haven't put anything on it. I really just platted it up with my leave-in in. So I was like, let me just go ahead and add some kind of cream to my hair. And I'm also going in with the Edge Fixer Glued. This is the Maximum Hold. This is by Kiss. And this is their Edge Control collection with Sweetie. So I have been loving this Edge Control, y'all. And I'm going to be adding that to the roots. Like, this edge control is so good. Just like that. So now y'all see it's all nice and pasty. So then you just separate it into two. Like that. Alright, y'all. So the hair comes just like this in one little curl. So what you do is you take one end and you pull it apart. Like that, and then smooth it back out so you get just like a nice natural looking curl. And then you just open this curl as well, like that, until you got something like this. And now that you got your little separated piece, all you want to do is split these into two, add the hair, okay? And what I'm going to do, I'm going to twist one side, like that. Away from my face. As y'all can see, I'm twisting this away from the face. Okay? Then I'm going to switch the hands and then twist this towards my face. Just towards it. And then just start twisting. And friend, that's all you do. That's it. They be making it hard, but it ain't gotta be that hard. I'm gonna show y'all again though. So you just wanna really tight. You see how tight I'm making this? Because once you let it go, it's gonna let go. And they can get real thick. Like some of mine in the back, I ain't show y'all, but my mama made them kind of thick. But I am just putting these in for the weekend, so it doesn't matter. But y'all can see that this is a perfect one. And what you want to do, you want to twist, 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 pull up. Like when you do the pull up, that's going to create the crinkleness. So if you don't want any crinkles up here, I suggest you don't start with the pulling up there. So I'm just going to continue to twist this down. And y'all, I like to stand up when I'm doing this because as y'all can see, this hair is long. So I just been walking and jamming, friend. You know, just doing me. But y'all, let me show y'all something. Don't tell nobody though. Don't tell nobody. I got henna done, y'all, on my side. So that's why I'm standing up for one, because I can't sit down because I gotta let it stay on for like 8 hours. Y'all can see a little bit of it. Yeah, girl, it's cute. It's cute. You ain't gonna see it yet, but it's cute, girl. It's cute. Well, y'all probably gonna be done seeing it by the time this video come out. But I just got it, so I can't really sit down. So we're gonna just do this. So what you wanna do is twist, twist, twist. Pull up, twist, 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 twist. Pull up. Just like my old video. Scott looking at me like, go, her, oh, you've been doing it for too long. Yeah. So as y'all can see, I got my hair and stuff just kind of set out and stuff on the table. If you can, separate the hair before you start so you can keep going. And that's it. It's so easy. I taught my mama how to do it just like that. Just like that. It's that easy. And my mama don't do no kind of hair. No kind of hair on her. Not a now, not a none, not a now. Alright, so when you let it go, as y'all can see, whew, look at that. A nice, perfect fashion twist from the roots. It just looks seamless. Oh, so I'm gonna keep doing this, y'all. Alright, y'all, so I finished my passion twist for my birthday. Let me tell y'all, okay, they sloppy. They are very sloppy. And that is because it's only for the weekend. Honestly, I have to take them out right after the weekend. And I got real lazy with them. That's why I ain't really show y'all like everything. But it's still cute, friend. Don't get me wrong. Like, look at this hair. Look at the color. It's so cute. It's, yeah. Even my mom was like, this color looks really, really good on your skin tone. And I'm just like, you know what? It really does. I really, really like how this looks. And y'all gonna be able to tell me anything, okay? Yeah, I got my nails done too. I don't like them, friend, but I got them done. I had told the lady to put little crystals on my finger. Girl, they too thick. Look at them. Like, dang, sis, why they gotta be so damn thick? Y'all, I really like this hair. As far as the hair go, like, I only use like 1 strand of hair per twist. I only use 3 packs of hair, y'all, and this is how much I got. So you can get basically 2 installs with the Toyotress hair. So I highly recommend it. It's on Amazon. It comes within a day. Like, I ordered off Amazon. It came within a day. Now, I did reach out to that company, and they are sponsoring this video. So shout out to them for sponsoring this video. I hope you guys really liked it. I just wanted to show y'all my little birthday hair because I know y'all was going to be like, why you ain't family, Kim? Here you go, friend. I need to go, y'all. I'm actually late for my own party. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Mwah.
It don't really matter what you do. Guess I have to tell you again, 'cause you haven't got the